an awareness program on agroforestry cum ecotourism with livestock, regenerative farming ecosystem for a sustainable livelihood, was held at Orchid 7 Hut Restaurant Hall on the 16th of December 2020 in the presence of the farmers in the area, people from different walks of life, along with few HFU members, the village Darbar members and others. The program was chaired by Peter Lawai, Sordar Mawryngkneng, with welcome speech by Wan Lambok Karsati, Secretary Mawryngkneng, and Sri Evarist Mirsing as the resource person at the program. Sri Mirsing said that the farmers should unite as one to raise their concern as one family, stating the recent incident of Nongladao Nongbri, where many pigs died of an unknown disease. Had it not been for the HFU, nobody would have even bothered to go and check up the pigs in the village. But through the intervention of the HFU, just after the union went to meet the authorities, the next day itself, government veterinaries rushed to the areas to examine and help the farmers. Speaking at the program as the chief guest, Dr. Bremley W.B. Lingdor stressed on the importance of organic farming, which is healthier and good for the soil and for the consumers. Emphasizing on the unity of all the farmers of the state, Dr. Bremley said, the formation of the Hill Farmers Union is one of the ways to unite all the farmers, and through this union, the farmers of the state can come out to form the parliament that in the future even the government may have to ask the assistance of the union. The vote of thanks was proposed by Dhosing Kim, elder of the village. At the end of the program, the Mawryngkneng Darbar contributed sum of rupees 5,000 to the fund for starting the school, which was named after May 8th Spility Langling Lingdor
Thì mình phải kita ketahui ya dah kita lawan kita lawang fungsi dia la pilih kita la pidon la kajong ka map bala ban le GPS bila ban le ka carbon trading na kita pen he shuk ki lawadong sna shuk anta le ya ka organic regenerative farming na betul bila ban wan ka carbon credit la ban thong shisha ba le ka khando ka bala imbia le khando ban dawai anta ki ecotourism bon ba ki mem ki sehat ki bakwa ban wan sini man pek ki jing nom tan rai jing bam tan rai jing im tan rai jingi te kila ni awan shong si hotel ra pila basna ki ecotourism kun kutu jaka ban man pek utan jing cowboy jingi kin wan ki sa sini kin le so so ni ko ban le tan ke ban ya connect na ka we ki snong ini exchange ni kinong rep jingi ni pa si US kinong rep na US kinong ra sini kinong rep na bilat kinong ra sini nan ni pa si tai ini exchange para nong rep namar nongrap cari bilat cari Amerika ki bak flying ha tak lek kam kai ki nongrap ki boss kita ki senators ki congressman ki MP ki hab bow down sama ki nongrap makam ki nongrap akut aduh ka European Union go tentang European Union kedan aku nyu teli ki ri ki join yang dari Europe kedan ka European Union kedan ka European Parliament kedan ki members of the European Parliament Shillong or Brussels kedan sempat ka European Commission, Parliament dan Union. Yang mengiru kedan ka Hill Farmers Union, kedan ka Hill Farmers Commission, kedan ka Hill Farmers Parliament. Kembali ka European Union. Kedan kam stangka Farmers Bank keman nyebut ya ka European Central Bank. Tar min sesna. Tingi ko apan ai bori kinong rap namar kan ka jinge teli nang basalia. Divide and rules. Subhan tempat yang beriu kasi namar ko muswa di boyo pat bet lo por crossing ko lo por kian namba henry de get li kisi kasi dai ado mentar nak dalam ka jongkari supaya karen itu nung baru sini namar pengiapai supaya karen laya long perlu untuk musim laya chat kolaborasi yang kasi la ikut henry de get li kisi kasi jangkan muswa kan no sarkar kan no melakukan sini ado mentar pengiapai ya pra henry
Walaupun sini sebenarnya berbeda sampai inflow option. Dan kuat kalau saya tebak cukup lang inflow. Hadis sangat disposkan di luar komponen kalau mundur. Jadi mesti kita kira sepuluh kuat kan kita multiply. Usnya kan teli multiply. Bajinya usnya kita sepak aku one piece sen kuat beriak santli. Bajinya bajinya. Piece-nya berat. Kita boleh sebut dengan kuat montan montan ini. Ketir tujuh piece I'm still ini kuat. Teman-teman sebab lagi dimensional mungkin ayah ka. Jeng ayah boleh dengan kuat ada 9 borok. Betul. Tenaga yang cuni dari kuar pemerintah Ila perbaik kena kalian terus dong. Mari iba ka balang Australian youth today. Kapag penting yang ikut sekolah nanti kau domestik ke cakap bumi berniaga. Maruduk sistem arzamnya serkal kelakang itu sekolah, kelak penduk itu sekolah, kelak pelong itu beliau ketim magajing satu. Namar kelakang itu berniaga. Di nak kalian jom itu ke Australian youth today ke kuat penting yang ikut sekolah. Si iba bermuli dan mentalang itu kisah mas seperti iba perfect dan mentalang tu. Tiga kami kesenyang bagi senyang. Nak kita berlaku penting yang ikut sekolah. Dia hendak keluar pemerintah nak kalian itu Shillong. Jadi semua orang hendak keluar tu kisah ai. Ibak yang saya bak itu ini semua kalau bocor cinta itu sekolah kalau kita ke spilti linggo Mawryngkneng Memorial ini sekolah atau domestik. Nak kalian itu Shillong hendak keluar pemerintah kalau sekretari berkenan Shillong yang IT kini kesasan tidak ada kalian Shillong. Nak tak ada sekolah berkenan tempat yang cepat.